All right.
Can I help you?
No, I'm good.
What are you doing? What are you taking pictures of?
Anything I can see?
Okay. You got an ID on you?
Sure.
I'm a little concerned you're taking pictures of my officer up on the roof and everything else.
Well, it's unusual to see an officer up on the roof.
Okay.
That's why I took a picture of the officer on the roof.
Who do you work for?
I don't want to answer your question. I'm just going about my business. Y'all have a nice evening. What time does the event start?
I'm going to ask you to...
What time's the event start?
I'm going to ask you to quit videoing, please. You need to stop videoing.
Why? It's a public event, sir.
Okay, you need to stop videoing, please.
Oh. What's your name, Sergeant? Or Lieutenant? You're a Lieutenant. Smith?
Yes.
Your name's not Smith.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Let me see your name tag.
What's my name tag?
Oh,
right
damn!
there.
You are telling the truth. I
Yes,
thought you were kidding me. What time does the event start?
That I can't tell you, sir. Not open to the public.
Well, that's unfortunate. I heard there were like a lot of movie stars and stuff coming out for it.
I can't answer any questions.
Well, it's in the press release. Surely you could tell me what's in the press release.
I haven't seen the press release.
Ah, okay. Well, take my word for it, I wouldn't lie to you. Is the sidewalk closed?
Sidewalk is not closed, but...
Okay, good.
No, sir, you need to keep going. Now you're on state property. Now I can do something to you.
This isn't open to the public?
You're on state property right now.
Oh, I'm sorry there. I'll step off.
Keep going.
There we go. I stepped off. I'm sorry. Looks like public access to me, but, you know. In this area, are you consenting to search?
317-801.
That is negative. Negative on that.
Are you talking about me? I'm compliant. I'm not giving you a hard time.
Walking, please.
Well, see, now, if I was giving you a hard time, you can imagine what I'd have to say, right? Oh, hold on. Let this lady go by. Yes, ma'am. You have a good evening. And I bet this could be a mess later. Secret Service, awesome.
Okay. You keep going. This is state property right here.
You sure?
Yes, I am.
I think you're wrong, but I'm not gonna test you. But I'm pretty sure you're wrong.
No,
Let's
sir,
see. Wait a minute.
On
Wait a minute.
this sidewalk, you are on state property.
Hold on. Okay, hold on. State property. Okay, cool. Because that belongs to me. I'm a citizen of the state of Texas.
It is University of Texas property.
There you go.
You do not have official business on it. You do not belong on the University of Texas property at this point in time.
But I have official business.
What is your official business?
I want to go see who's in there.
You don't have official business. Are you invited to this event?
I might be. You might see me again here in just a little bit. Actually, I'm really not going to leave, so, I mean...
not going to leave.
No, I'm not going to leave. But, so I'll be
I'll
around.
advise you at this time, if you step onto UT property without official business, you will be arrested for criminal trespass. Do you understand that?
Okay. I'll remember you said that.
Okay. You need to continue on, please.
Well, I'll be in the area. So I'll see you guys around. Okay guys, I'm good for the moment. But I can tell you they are really testy down here.
Hold on, sir. Hold on.
What?
Hold on.
What?
Can I ask what you're doing here?
I'm walking down the sidewalk. I'm doing all right.
What do you got in the bag?
Whatever I carry in my bag.
Can I see it?
No, sir.
Sir, you're on our campus right now?
Yeah, you're
I need you to
Looks
show
like a
ID.
public access sidewalk to me.
This is UT campus.
This is a school campus, and you have to show me your ID right now, sir.
It
Please.
is public access, sir.
I'm asking you very kindly. Please show me your ID, sir.
I understand. Sergeant Rodriguez.
Yes, sir.
This is open to the public.
Yes,
I'm
it is.
walking down the sidewalk.
This is also a school campus, sir, and you are required by statute to show us identification.
If I've committed a crime.
No, this is a school campus. You are required to show us identification.
I'm walking down a public sidewalk.
And you're on our campus, too.
It's open to the public. I'm passing
Sir,
through.
this is real close to becoming a lawful detention, so if you show us your ID, you could be on your way, but it's up to you.
Okay. Under protest, I'm going to show you my
Understood,
identification.
sir.
All right.
Can I just see your waist, make sure you don't have any weapons?
I don't consent to
just
searches.
asking.
I don't consent to
I'm just
searches.
gonna
Am I
ask.
being detained?
Right now you are.
Then do what you got to do.
Okay.
I'll comply with any lawful order you give me.
Stated that he will remain in here and he will be found.
May I ask what's in here?
You can
I
ask.
just want to know if there's a weapon in there. Is there a
can
weapon
ask.
in there?
I don't want to answer any questions. You detain me. That means you suspect me of
Can I
committing
see
a
your
crime.
ID, sir? I don't want to reach into your pocket. That is your personal. I'm asking
Okay.
you for your
I
ID.
need to reach into my pocket.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm not going to put my hand down. Okay. You want to do that? I'll take your picture too.
That's
How
fine,
about that?
sir.
Do you want my autograph as well? See, I don't consent to search.
I'm not searching you.
You are searching me. You are searching me.
It feels like a tripod. It doesn't feel like a weapon.
I concur.
It's labeled.
That doesn't mean anything, sir, and you know that. Don't even try that.
Don't let him leave. He said so.
All right. What you guys are freaking out about? This is open to the public.
Yes, it is, but you're on our campus.
Doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
It's a free-for-all for the
Lawful
public.
statute allows us to identify anyone on our campus.
We'll see.
It feels like a tripod.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like a weapon.
Yeah, it is a tripod, you idiot.
Okay. Well, we don't know.
How hard is that to see?
I'm not psychic. It's hard to see because it's inside a bag. Inside a bag. I don't have X-ray vision.
Thank you very much, sir.
How fucking hard is that?
That was my question to you. How hard was it?
All this is unnecessary.
You're right.
So,
You made it unnecessary, sir.
no, you did this.
It's done.
Yeah, it's done. You're right, it's done.
No. Secret Service wants to wait.
Understood.
So we're gonna wait.
Who are you? I didn't get your name. Oh yeah, now you don't want to play, huh? Fuck the Secret Service. How about that?
Could you get my bike off the road, off the sidewalk? Oh, it's right here? Thank you.
Basically what we have here is a case of entrapment. That officer told me to walk this way. I complied with his instructions. Called entrapment.
Well, entrapment is making you violate a crime.
You just said you just said I broke the law, that I'm on private property. He directed me down this sidewalk.
I'm taking the road here. They put the phone away, sir. You're being arrested.
I'm being arrested for what?
Being arrested for trespassing on the grounds of school higher education.
Why am I being arrested? Hey, I did what he asked me to do. I complied with his instructions.
Let me grab your stuff off.
Okay,
You may
here.
be released in a little while, okay, after we check you out. But in the meantime, you're being arrested.
Check me out for what? What are you arresting me for? The sergeant directed me to walk down this sidewalk. Oh, whoa, hold on.
Okay.
So you got that handcuff backwards.
No problem, sir. I'll turn it around.
All right.
You are being compliant, so I'll be moving back.
I'm not going to give you guys any kind of hard time. I'm not going to resist.
Not a problem, sir. Not a problem.
Okay, I haven't broken any law.
a problem, sir.
I complied with the sergeant's instructions to walk down this sidewalk.
Yes, sir. And you're being very compliant from this point on, and I appreciate that. I do.
Well, I'm going to be very vocal, I'll tell you that.
That's fine. That's your right.
Yep.
But I will not resist.
No.
And you're
being
with
very compliant, sir.
University of Texas Police?
Yes, sir. University of Texas Police. Okay, put your hands behind your back, sir.
All right. How you want him to face him, palm out, palm in?
You're left, right.
All right.
You want to make sure I don't...
What's your name, sir?
I don't wish to answer any more questions. I'd like a lawyer, I'd like an attorney.
Odds are you'll be released after we check you out, but for right now, that's what you're being arrested for, okay? So, you know, nothing's a foregone conclusion. We're just doing our job.
Well, you see, I have a video camera on my chest.
Not a problem.
That sergeant directed me to walk in this direction down this sidewalk.
Yes, sir.
I complied with his instructions.
Yes, sir. We'll go check all that out. We'll go take a look.
There's a phone number on there you can call.
Come on, sir.
That's bullshit. You told me to walk down this sidewalk, Lieutenant Smith. That's entrapment.
Yeah.
I can't believe you guys are going to make up a bullshit charge like that to arrest me for.
No, sir. It's a very lawful charge. Just like that.
It's not lawful when the lieutenant told me to walk this direction and I complied with his instructions.
We also asked you for identification, did they not?
I gave you identification.
After we asked you sometimes.
Well, I was trying to decide whether to give you a driver's license or my press credentials, whichever would be more appropriate.
Identification would have had you going on your way, sir.
No, it wouldn't. No, it wouldn't.
Yes, it would have, sir.
No, it wouldn't. You guys are intentionally detaining me because of the event. You just want me out of your hair while you have your little event, and then after the event's over, you'll release me. That's fine. All that you accomplish is nothing.
430, Joe 1, Black Mountain, custody, en route to the holding area.
Good, honest police officers are dying in the streets of America today because of police officers like you that don't honor your oath. Look at this. You got to parade me around in front of all these people in handcuffs.
Taking the individual to the ATV holding area.
Welcome to the police state, folks. This is what you get if you don't agree with anything in America.
Watch yourself.
Hold on, I got it.
Go ahead. And sir, I gotta tell you, I truly appreciate your compliance.
I'm not going to resist. I'm not going to
And that's what I'm
resist.
saying. I do appreciate it, okay?
I'm not going to
I'm trying to
resist.
be as professional as I can with you,
I
sir,
understand.
and I do appreciate it.
I understand. You'll get no resistance out of me. There's no point
No,
to
no,
it.
no, no. I didn't say that at all.
Oh, good donuts.
Well, it's bad for you.
Yeah, I know I'm old. What can I tell you?
Just watch yourself. Just have a seat.
You can take the cuffs off?
I gotta wait till Secret Service talks to you. I'll try to put them as loose as I can.
They're plenty loose. That wasn't the point.
No, I know.
They're not necessary.
I know.
I'm not armed.
I have
I'm
to
just.
wait till they talk to you, and I'll be more than glad to take those off. Okay?
Okay. Well, would you please call them? Tell them get
They
their.
are en route now.
Tell them to hurry up and get their dumb asses in here. Tell them I said that. How about that?
There's your gear right there.
I see it.
Yeah.
Gently, please. That stuff looks cheap, but it's not. Trust me. Costs about as much as your Glock right there.
Unit 430 to dispatch. Do we have a field operations officer available to take custody so all these officers on the special event can return to their post? ACV 1 2325 A as in Adam.
Tell you guys what I told him. We got good, honest, law-abiding, law-minding, oath-keeping police officers dying in the streets of America because of tyrants like you. You snatch a citizen up off the street for nothing. I haven't broken any law. I complied with what the sergeant, you were standing there. The sergeant told me to walk that, or lieutenant, I'm sorry, told me to walk that direction.
May I see your ID from your wallet, sir?
I don't have a wallet on me.
You don't have no ID on it except for that?
That's it.
I'm going to go ahead and reach that just for identification. I'll put it right in front
Actually, I
of
can do better than that, but you'll have to take the cuff off.
you. Okay, well, we'll just hold off on that.
I kind of figured you would. There is a phone number on there.
Is it on the back?
It is on the back.
Okay.
My business card is also in there.
Okay.
You can pull all that out. No, well, don't pull that out, but look right there. Turn it over.
On here?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, nice. First Amendment.
Imagine that.
Yeah.
A photographer that believes in the First Amendment.
Yeah. The only thing is, sir, and I want to be very truthful with you so you understand what I was trying to explain to you out there in a more calm environment.
Mm-hmm.
This is, for all intents and purposes, a school. This is a university, okay?
I understand.
On a university, on a campus, which you were on, we
We're
are allowed to
going
identify.
to go ahead and turn the camera off. Okay.
Okay.
How do you turn it off? I don't want to destroy you.
Push the button on the top.
On the top.